Isii, number 6 in Igbo Numerology. In Igbo Numerology, number 6 is known as Isii or Ishi and holds significant symbolic meanings that encompass leadership, family, fruitfulness, fertility, victory, wealth, and purpose. Each of these interpretations carry both positive and negative aspects, which illustrates the dynamic interplay of energies and duality inherent in each. In this chapter, we will highlight 7 interpretations of Isii and their implications in Igbo numerology. 7 interpretations of Isii in Igbo numerology. Number 1. Leadership, headship, and mastery. Positive aspect. Isii symbolizes leadership, headship, and mastery. It represents the qualities of a leader, including the ability to guide, influence, and inspire others. Leadership in this context is about taking responsibility, making decisions, and setting a direction for others to follow. It embodies wisdom, strength, and the capacity to oversee and manage effectively. Negative aspect. However, the pursuit of leadership can also lead to authoritarianism and dominance. The desire to lead might overshadow the need for collaboration and listening to others. A leader might become overly controlling, losing sight of empathy and the collective good, which can lead to conflict and resistance. Number 2. Family. Positive aspect. Isii is deeply connected to the concept of family. It signifies the importance of family bonds, support, and unity. In Igbo culture, family is the cornerstone of society, as it provides emotional, social, and spiritual support. Isii reflects the nurturing and protective aspects of family life. It emphasizes the importance of strong family ties. Negative aspect. The emphasis on family can sometimes lead to overdependence and lack of individuality. The pressure to conform to family expectations might stifle personal growth and freedom. Additionally, family dynamics can become strained, leading to conflicts and unresolved issues that affect overall harmony. Number 3. Fruitfulness. Positive aspect. Isii represents fruitfulness, indicating abundance and productivity. This interpretation highlights the ability to generate and sustain resources, be it agricultural, business, or personal endeavors. It reflects the positive outcomes of hard work and dedication, which brings prosperity and growth. Negative aspect. Overemphasis on fruitfulness can lead to materialism and the constant pursuit of more, sometimes at the expense of well-being and balance. The pressure to be productive can cause stress and burnout, as well as a focus on material success over spiritual and emotional fulfillment. Number 4. Fertility. Positive aspect. Isii symbolizes fertility. It represents the capacity to create and nurture new life. This can pertain to biological fertility, creativity, or the ability to bring new ideas and projects to fruition. Fertility is seen as a blessing and a sign of vitality and growth. Negative aspect. The focus on fertility can also lead to frustration and disappointment if expectations are not met. Issues related to infertility or creative blocks can cause emotional distress and a sense of inadequacy. Additionally, the societal pressure to conform to certain roles can be overwhelming. Number 5. Spiritual and physical victory. Ikenga mmadụ na ikenga mmụọ. Positive aspect. Isii embodies spiritual and physical victory, represented by ikenga mmadụ na ikenga mmụọ. It signifies triumph over challenges both in physical realm and spiritual domain. This victory symbolizes inner strength, resilience, and the ability to overcome obstacles to achieve success and fulfillment. Negative aspect. The pursuit of victory can sometimes lead to an adversarial mindset, where every situation is seen as a competition. This can create unnecessary conflict and stress. The desire to always win might result in unethical behavior or neglect of important relationships and values. Number 6, wealth or abundance. Isiego, head of money. Anyego, 6 parts of the eye of Aro or Horus. Positive aspect. Isii represents wealth and abundance, which highlights the ability to generate and manage resources effectively. Isiego, or the head of money, signifies financial acumen and prosperity. Anyego, which refers to the 6 parts of the eye of Aro, symbolizes keen perception and insight in financial matters. Negative aspect. Focusing on wealth can lead to greed and materialism. The pursuit of financial success might overshadow other important aspects of life, such as relationships and spiritual growth. It can also create a sense of constant dissatisfaction and the fear of losing wealth. Number 7, purpose or service. Positive aspect. Isii symbolizes purpose and service. It reflects the importance of contributing to the greater good and fulfilling one's divine mission. It emphasizes the value of serving others and making a positive impact in the community. Purpose gives direction and meaning to life. It encourages a sense of fulfillment and joy. Negative aspect. The dedication to purpose and service can sometimes lead to self-neglect and burnout. Overcommitting to serving others might result in personal sacrifices and the neglect of one's own needs. Additionally, the pressure to find and fulfill a specific purpose can create anxiety and a sense of inadequacy. The sacred nature of Isii. Isi or Ishi, which also means head in Igbo, emphasizes the importance of leadership, mastery, and headship. This connection highlights the role of the number 6 in guiding and influencing life's path. The number 6 is symbolic of the head. It represents wisdom, authority, and the ability to lead. It underscores the significance of clarity, foresight, and the capacity to navigate complex situations with insight and balance. In Igbo culture, these qualities are important for maintaining harmony and achieving success both spiritually and physically. In conclusion, Isii, the number 6 in Igbo numerology, carries meaningful insights and interpretations. It symbolizes leadership, family, fruitfulness, fertility, victory, wealth, and purpose, each with its positive and negative aspects. Being aware of these interpretations allow for a deeper appreciation of Igbo spiritual traditions and the wisdom they offer. We can all navigate our spiritual and physical paths with greater insight, balance, and harmony when we understand the multifaceted nature of Isii.